Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Techgig webinar series. Our topic for today's session is PMI Project Management Leadership Series, Pull Planning, Lean and Kanban. And we have with us today Mr. Saket Bansal. He is the founder director, Eyes and Bridge Consultancy Private Limited. Saket is one of the leading agile trainers in India. He has successfully delivered lectures on project management, Scrum and Agile to professionals from varied industries and supervised them in how to reshape their career with Agile. He is a software product development and management professional with an experience of over 15 years to back with. With strong IT base, he has imparted PMP, PMI, ACP Agile training to professionals over the past few years in major cities. The questions that we are going to cover mostly during the session today will be around why do we need pull-based planning? How can we put pull-based planning in action? What are the lean software development principles and what is Kanban and how it gets implemented? We will be also launching a couple of poll questions in the course of today's webinar session, and as a normal practice that we follow, we will open up the session during the last 15 minutes for a quick round of Q&A. However, Saket would want to take questions also throughout the session, so request all the attendees to start sending questions as soon as the session starts, and I'll be sending the relevant ones to Saket. So without any further delay, I now hand over the session to Saket. Saket, I'll now make you the presenter.
Okay.
I hope you have received the prompt on your screen, Saket.
Yes, I'm just showing it. Just a sec, it should be coming from the first screen. It's just refreshing the audience view. I think now you have a refreshed view.
Yes, I can see your first slide right now.
Yeah, thanks Shilanga for the introduction. And as a project manager, we always start with a plan. So for this session also, friends, we have a plan. We have 3 segments which I would be covering throughout in the next 1 hour. We will talk about push and pull scheduling in the first segment. Each segment is followed by a Q&A breaks. So as Shilanga said, whenever you get a query, you keep typing them, keep sending us, and I will take them during the break. You got an opportunity to know me, but I also want to know a bit about you, and through a web kind of session it becomes a bit difficult. So I just want to know one thing from you, that how many of you are familiar with Agile methodology or working with Agile based projects. So Shilanga, can you please just launch the first poll where they can select the option related to Agile?
Yeah, I'm just launching the first poll. Okay, the question is now visible on the screen, Saket, along with the multiple choice answers.
Yeah. So just select, like if you are working with Agile, just select yes. If you are not, let us know, because that will help me to organize my remaining session a bit better, so I know a bit about you.
Correct. In fact, let us keep the poll open for another 5-7 seconds. I think we have received the answers more or less. All right, I'll close the session now. And
okay.
So the answers that we got, 67% of our attendees say yes, they are using Agile, and 34% they're saying no.
Good. So since many of you are already using Agile, you will find this session quite informative or quite refreshing your fundamentals related to pull-based scheduling. So without further talking about just an agenda, let us get into what is this push-pull scheduling is all about. Now, the problem with us as an organization is that whenever our people, workforce reaches to an office, we need to tell them there should be some mechanism by which they can know what they have to do on that particular day. If we don't have a clear system to communicate what is expected from them, they will spend time here and there in figuring it out. So to solve this particular problem, we can follow 2 approaches. The approach one is, which we have been following traditionally, is that we have a detailed working